बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। देखा न कोई किन कोई फरहाद के बगैर, देखा न कोई किन कोई फरहाद के बगैर, आता नहीं है फन कोई उस्ताद के बगैर। Good morning everyone. Initially I welcome you all this graceful day. Respected principal, teacher and my dear fellow students. I feel privileged to have gotten the chance to share my view about teacher and their role in society. Dear audience, since we have gathered here to celebrate on one of the most beautiful and glorious days in the calendar, I would like to take opportunity to read you a little poem on teacher's card. I want to be like you by Donna Pope. Thank you, teachers, for my being my life role model. When I consider all you have taught me and reflect on kind of person you are, I want to be like you, smart, interesting and engaging, positive, confident, yet unpretentious. I want to be like you, well informed and easy to understand, thinking with your heart as well as your heart, gently nudging us to do our best with sensitivity and insight. I want to be like you, giving your time, energy and talent to ensure the brightest possible future for each of us. Thanks to teacher for giving me a goal of shoot. I want to be like you all in all the poems, sums of that teacher play a vital role in the lives of every student because they help us build a bridge toward a successful future, sacrificing a happy time with our friends and family and working harder every minute of their lives. They are basically the reason why ordinary students like us dream extraordinary things more. There is a special reason behind celebrating 5th October as Teacher Day in Pakistan. I wish best of good luck all teacher. I wish Teacher Day all teacher. I love my all teacher. ये गम गाता चला जाता है मुझको, ये गम गाता चला जाता है मुझको, मुझे इस खौफ से फुर्सत नहीं, कहीं बरकत ना उठ जाए वहाँ से, कहीं बरकत ना उठ जाए वहाँ से, जहाँ उस्ताद की इज्जत नहीं होती।